Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A31 versus the Samsung Galaxy A30s. And Samsung Galaxy A30s comes with the Samsung Exynos 7904 chipset with 4GB of RAM, while the new Samsung Galaxy A31 comes with a MediaTek Helio P65 chipset with 6GB of RAM, and the A31 comes with the quad cameras on the back, as you can see, versus a triple cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A30s. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And let's see who is faster there, and low came up first, about the same on both these two devices. And also both phones, it is running on the latest software version, which is the Android 10. And let's see who is faster there. You can see that Samsung Galaxy A31, it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A30s, about 1 or 2 second difference there between these two devices. And yes, you can see that both phones comes with a big display. We have a full HD Super AMOLED display on the Samsung Galaxy A31 with a dewdrop notch, and you can see, while the Samsung Galaxy A30s comes with a 720p Super AMOLED display, and both phones also comes with the optical in-display fingerprint scanner. So now let's see the app's opening speed. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer on both phones, and that is a little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A31. The settings, and just a tiny bit faster again on the Samsung Galaxy A31 this time. The mic lock, and you can see about the same on both phones, no difference there. Amazon shopping, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And you can see this time Samsung Galaxy A30s, it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the A31. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see it feels very smooth on both phones. The Snapchat, and again little bit faster on the new Samsung Galaxy A31. So now let's see some games application for checking out the performance between these two devices. And Samsung Exynos 7904 versus the MediaTek Helio P65, and you can see Samsung Galaxy A31, it is faster there. Subway Surfer, and let's see who is faster there. And you can see Samsung Galaxy A31, it is faster there just a tiny bit, followed by the A30s. Temple Run 2, and again I have to say, and you can see this time Samsung Galaxy A30s, it is faster there, while the A31, it is take a lot of time. And A30s, it is done, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A31. And you can see A30s this time, it is faster for some reason. Twitter, and you can see about the same on both phones. Zedge, and you can see Samsung Galaxy A31, it is faster there. And last time I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, here we go, and that is a little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A31, followed by the A30s. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Samsung internet browser on both these two devices, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. Wikipedia.org, and you can see that Samsung Galaxy A31, it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the A30s, and the scrolling feels very smooth on both phones. Next on the list is the gsmarina.com, and launching at the same time. And you can see that Samsung Galaxy A30s, it is just a tiny bit faster there, and followed by the Samsung Galaxy A31, and you can see about 1 or 2 second difference there. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see it feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. So now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. And Samsung Galaxy A31 comes with a 6GB of RAM compared to 4GB of RAM on the A30s. Phone dialer, refresh on the A31. Settings, refresh. Mic lock, Amazon shopping, that is again refresh. Let's see Snapchat, refresh. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga, Subway Surfer. Let's see the Temper 2. Let's see the Twitter, Zedge. And last we are back to the internet browser where we left. And guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is definitely just a tiny bit faster on the new Samsung Galaxy A31, and the performance again it is a little bit better on the Samsung Galaxy A31. RAM man, it is absolutely incredible on the old Samsung Galaxy A30s, while the Samsung Galaxy A31 does not give you a very good RAM management performance. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A30s versus the Samsung Galaxy A31. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.